Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a super easy parfait, perfect for snacks or for a quick breakfast. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. For this recipe, we're going to need raspberries, plain Greek yogurt, walnuts, granola, and maple syrup. In a jar or a bowl, start by layering your Greek yogurt on the bottom. Then add your walnuts, raspberries, and granola. Repeat these steps until your jar is full. Now drizzle maple syrup over your parfait and enjoy.